beer on it and put a cigarette out on it. Well, you could, but you don't want to. If your brother-in-law does it, you have to disown him. It's always the damn brother-in-law. Atriums are absolutely beautiful, aren't they? That's why you only see one here and at Luxor in the whole area. Because they're too damn expensive. They're a big waste of construction to have all this doing nothing. Bear up there. Well, that feels good. I think that deer, yeah, he moves. I think it's on motion control, because if you look at it from a distance, it's not moving at all. You get near it and it knows you're getting near it, and it'll move for you. Oh, a barbecue restaurant. Looks like it's closed. Is it closed today only, or is it closed? Kind of looks closed. Yeah, I think it's done. And they got Roberto's in here, $14 for a burrito, $4.95 for a taco. McDonald's is the same price as it is everywhere in town, which is nice. Panda's $9.10 for a one-on-one, and $10.50 for two-on-one. $10.90 for the two items in one side. I was wrong. And I was wrong on the one. $8.90. Ooh, somebody's mad over there. They've got a new orange chicken, firecracker orange chicken. I really want to try that. See, even that squirrel is animated. Small little details. Definitely the most beautiful part of this property. You can rent that whole deck that overlooks the atrium. You can rent that out. And I think it could hold 50 people. So a medium-sized wedding, or actually for Vegas, this would be a large wedding. So you've got only 2 tables set up, but you could have a ceremony out here, and you could easily have a total of 50 people. And then for the reception, just send everybody to a slot machine and tell them to order their drinks from the waitress. They're on their own. Come on, we got a budget here. If I'm running this wedding, all you're getting is a ceremony up here, and then you're off on your own. Here it is right here. Now that's downstairs on the atrium floor, but you can have it up here. Looks pretty fancy. These are appetizers. Short ribs $15, shrimp cocktail $18, calamari was $18, lobster chowder $14. Mac and cheese $10. Let's get to the meat. Let's get to the meat of it. Come on. See what a steak costs. Got steak fries for $10. Here we go. There's the steak. Ribeye, 16 ounce, $60. Filet mignon, 60 and 50. Crumb, flat iron steak, 42. King crab, market price. Sea scallops, 29, 3 of them in lemon butter. My goodness. Tempura shrimp, $13. 3 scallops? Shouldn't that have been on the appetizer menu?